Christmas cheer has taken over Bhubaneswar and the city is glowing with festive spirit. We are at one of the city's vibrant Christmas markets that have transformed into a visual delight. As people step out with friends and family, the market reflects the message of Christmas, that is celebration, togetherness, and hope. Do you wanna build a snowman?
I get that. I get that. He's trying to be Santa and Elsa. I don't know why Elsa, but I can see why he's trying to be a Santa because he's preparing for it too long now.
Well,
It's time to
Christmas.
shine.
Well, Christmas calls for good food, high spirits, and enthusiasm. Right, guys?
True. And one more thing, Christmas is incomplete without proper decorations. And for proper decorations, you have to come over here, which is in Unit 1 market area. Specific Christmas stalls where you can find everything from A to Z that you need to prepare your Christmas ambience.
And the best part is, in Bhubaneswar, you can find many clusters of market
Yeah.
where you can find various Christmas items.
Yes. And every kind of thing, from a Santa that's dancing constantly, from a Santa that's looking really creepy. But anyway, you can find a lot of things over here.
Since everyone here is talking about Santa, let's hear it from the Santa himself. Santa, how does it feel to spread Christmas joy here in Bhubaneswar today?
ମୋ ନା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସ କାଳିଆ ଆଉ ଆମ ଘର ହେଉଛି ଅଡ଼ସୁ ବାଲିକୁଦା ଆଉ ମୁଁ 5 ବର୍ଷ ହେବ ଭାଇଙ୍କ ଦୋକାନ ଆସିକି ଏମିତି ସାଣ୍ଟା ରୋଲ୍ କରେ ଆଉ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଚକୋଲେଟ୍ ବାଣ୍ଟେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଗିଫ୍ଟ ବାଣ୍ଟେ ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଲାଗେ ବଡ଼ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ପରଦିନ ତ ବଡ଼ଦିନ ମାନେ 25 ତାରିଖ ତ ବଡ଼ଦିନ ଆଉଛି ଆଉ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ମଜା ଲାଗେ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଛୁଆମାନେ ସବୁ ଦେଖି ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହୁଅନ୍ତି।
Slowly, the market is filling up with customers, and there's hardly any space left for us to stand. With festive crowd growing by the minute, let's ask public how they are enjoying the Christmas market today.
Finding some goods for our Christmas, we found a person buying for their Christmas. So let's have some conversation. What's your name?
Sonal.
So Sonal, how is the Christmas bazaar for you?
So it's really pretty. I'm really shocked to find all these kind of things over here in Odisha. So I'm just over here looking over for the things. Then I will say to my parents about all these things, and then I'll force them to buy some stuff. For me.
So is there any specific thing that you're looking for?
A Christmas tree, which is the basic for all like Christmas. So yeah.
I mean, it's going pretty great. It's pretty decent. I mean, I was expecting quite more, but still, it's very decent.
Well, quite more decent. On what grounds are we talking about?
I mean, it's quite on the expensive side because if you go on website and all, you can find a very cheaper price for this.
एक्समास जहाँ आइटम गच सजाटू माने गचर वेराइटी माने फुटे टू आरंभ करी 14 फुट पर्यंत 20 फुट्र इवेन अच्छी ता सहित छोट टेबुल टॉप ऊपर ऑफिशियली लगे छोट अच्छी ता सहित जिते छोट गच से हिसाब से डेकोरेटिव आइटम सब आइटम अच्छी ड्रेस कैप आउ झील मैंने हेयर बैंड सब अच्छी
माने प्राइस रेंज केमती अछि?
प्राइस तो आरंभ करी 10 टंकार आरंभ करी 20,000 पर्यंत 22,000 टका पर्यंत अच्छी।
क्रिसमस पाई तो आम बहुत किसी आइटम आम आरेंज करूँ जोटा कि एबे भी आप देखुवे कस्टमर नौकरी जमती आपणकर ट्री आइटम है ट्री डेकोरेशन आइटम है सांता क्लॉज है म्यूजिकल सांता है विभिन्न प्रकार आइटम आम आरेंज करूँ जोटा आप चाहिए मुझे कहीपरि।
Christmas is really incomplete without visiting churches. So we visited Bhubaneswar's biggest church.
Right now we have another more interesting person over here with whom we're going to have conversation. Sir, आपन गोटे परिचय दे परिबे?
मु हेउछि आर्च बिशप जॉन बारवा एसबीडी आउ मु हेउछि ओडिशार कैथोलिक चर्च रो तथा ख्रिस्टियन मानकर मुख्य।
See that? नेबे क्रिसमस आसलानी 2 दिन भितर आसी जिबे क्रिसमस तो आपण कौन कहबे लोक मानकू क्रिसमस आगे कौन चलची आ ता विषय कौन कहबे? क्रिसमस आसीनी एबे जाय आपण कौन कहबे?
क्रिसमस वर्ष को थरे आसे आउ सही समय आम समस्ते अति आनंदित कारण ये परिस्थिति सेमती गरम नहीं बेसी ठंडा भी नहीं सब वातावरण भी यहाँ साहाय्य करुच्ची तत्संगे संगे वेटिंग अपेक्षार जो आनंद अच्छी पर्वर से आनंद हुए नहीं कारण जो प्रकार साजसजा हो समस्ते प्रस्तुत होती देखला बेले सबुआड़े चहकमक कि आनंद कि खुशी यहाँ है सबुठ बड़ कथा
As we are standing in the Satyanagar church right now, best way to know about this place, about what is going on, how the preparations are going on, as we are making this episode about the preparations of Christmas, best way is to ask the father. Father, can I have your name?
Yes, I am Father Ajay Savasundar, the parish priest of this church.
Fantastic. Now, Father, tell me one thing. How far has the preparation gone till now?
Yes, as the days are coming closer, we are at the threshold of celebrating Christmas. Almost our church is decorated with lights, and we have also where Jesus was born, like the cow shed, crib we call it. And that is also ready, and nowadays different traditions are there, so we have a Christmas tree. But the importance of it is that Jesus died on the cross and saved us. On the day of Christmas, when they receive Jesus in the form of bread, as he has said, my presence you can find in this small little host, so that they will receive it. It's not just like a prasad, but the real body and blood of Christ that we are taking. So that is for that people are really longing and waiting for that day, because Jesus is truly, really substantially present in that. Yeah.
Isn't it beautiful? People are not only preparing materialistically, they're also preparing in a way that the spirit is ready to accept Jesus. Well said. It was beautiful. Sarthak, we have come to the end of this episode, and how was your experience of the preparation of Christmas?
Definitely, it was something that I haven't seen before, and this is the first time I have been to here in Bhubaneswar Church, and it is beautiful. Let me tell you guys, it is beautiful.
And not only that, we came to know about the kind of materialistic things like, which is important for the preparation, the decorations and the shops. We also came to know about from the Archbishop and the Father that they're also preparing for the Christmas by doing confessions and, preparing their soul before they can meet Christ.
And guys, I'm definitely waiting for cakes.
He's waiting for the cake.
He said we'll get cakes at 12:30, so I'm definitely waiting for it.
And I'm waiting for the whole package, the cake, the decoration and everything. So, you know what to do. Stay tuned to SA Post Live for more such
Updates.